to another SourceFuse Talking Out Cloud, our leadership chat series. And today we're talking about overcoming the common challenges of migrating databases or workloads to the cloud and how generative AI supports a data-driven future. My name is Liz Grint, Marketing Manager here at SourceFuse. And if you're still unfamiliar with SourceFuse, we have over 17 years of deep expertise, commitment to digital innovation, service excellence, and customer success, transforming enterprises through bespoke, secure, and scalable cloud solutions. As AWS Advanced Consulting Partners, I'm delighted to be joined today by Robert Daly, Senior Database Specialist Solutions Architect at AWS. Welcome, Robert.
Thanks, Liz. I appreciate having me on this today's session, and thank you for my hectic schedule, rescheduling this. So I really appreciate that.
Oh, thanks, Rob. Great to have you here. So I'd like to start by asking you to briefly describe to our audience your background and experience, especially in relation to cloud migrations.
Sure, yeah, no problem, Liz. Hey, everyone. My name is Robert, and I currently work as at AWS as a Senior Database Specialist Solutions Architect. I'm based out of New York. I've been with AWS just over 6 years now, so I'm like part of the furniture here. My primary focus as a database specialist is working with services closely like RDS, Aurora, and the database migration services. I help customers from a range of sectors, including enterprise, SMB, startup, and many other industry verticals migrate their databases to AWS while also providing guidance on performance and best practices. Prior to being a specialist, I was working as a cloud support engineer, specializing in databases for over 3.5 years. In that role, I served as a subject matter expert, working on some of the more complex workload challenges.
Fantastic. So tell us, when you begin working with customers looking to migrate databases or workloads to AWS Cloud, what are the common questions you get asked or the common challenges that you experience?
Sure, yeah, no problem, Liz. So when I begin working with customers looking to migrate their databases or workloads to AWS Cloud, a few recurring challenges emerge. Firstly, many customers want evidence of successful migrations. They're keen to understand the success of those who've tread this path before them. Secondly, there's often a debate on why they should select one database engine over another. Questions about readiness, the potential learning curve for in-house teams, concerns about change management, and of course, like the fears of like vendor lock-ins also come to the forefront. Additionally, some customers are curious about the intricacies of specific AWS services and how they might integrate with their existing system.
So I think the theme for me running through all of that is confidence, having confidence in actually going down this route. So
Absolutely.
how does AWS address these challenges? And in your role specifically as database specialist, how do you go about supporting that customer migration journey?
Sure. So to address these concerns, more often than not, AWS has developed a range of programs tailored specifically for varied migration needs. My role as a database specialist is central in this process. I actually guide customers through our structured step-by-step approach, ensuring a smooth migration. This not only facilitates a hassle-free shift, but also it also allows customers to harness the power of AWS like robust data lakes, analytics, gaining unparalleled insights from their data. We aim to guarantee our customers obtain maximum value from their migration efforts. Furthermore, AWS is proud of its portfolio of purpose-built databases, each designed for specific use cases. When combined with our expansive data lakes, we're confident in meeting the unique data demands of every customer. Also, recognizing that not every customer has comprehensive in-house expertise or might need specialized assistance. AWS does emphasize the role of partners. This is where collaborations with like dedicated partners such as SourceFuse become invaluable, offering our customers a holistic support system throughout their migration journey.
Brilliant. And you mentioned there about maximizing the benefits or maximizing the returns. So for those customers already on the cloud, how do you help with further optimization?
Hey, absolutely, good question, Liz. So the journey doesn't stop there. Once customers migrate to the cloud, there's often a broader horizon of opportunities to explore. And one key aspect of this is the expanded journey is modernization. This evolution often involves moving away from self-managed databases on virtual machines such as EC2 within the cloud to fully managed database solutions such as Amazon Aurora. Aurora, for example, can effortlessly scale beyond traditional confines, presenting our customers with the allure of enterprise-grade database performance, a fraction of the cost. In today's digital landscape, the one-size-fits-all approach is increasingly viewed as limiting. Our customers frequently observe that tailoring solutions to specific workloads not only enhances performance, but it also is more cost-effective. For instance, when dealing with an on-premise database serving both an OLTP workload and OLAP workload, the challenges can intensify. With AWS as their ally, they can strategically migrate their OLTP workloads to Amazon Aurora, a relational database, and their OLAP workloads to Amazon Redshift, a data warehouse. This structured approach promises cost efficiency, elevated performance, and the agility to scale each component independently, adeptly adjusting to the shifting workload demands.
Brilliant. And that's why we use the word journey all the time, because it's not just a destination. It's always a journey to get better and better.
Absolutely.
So you mentioned about working with AWS partners earlier, but what would you say are the additional benefits to customers when working with an AWS consulting partner like ourselves?
Sure, great question, Liz. So, I mean, starting from the top, embracing Amazon Web Services for the cloud-based tools yields undeniable benefits. On average, businesses migrating to the cloud enjoy 31% reduction in infrastructure costs, achieving 62% in more efficient IT infrastructure management, and witness a remarkable 43% decrease in security incidents annually. While these numbers are compelling, the journey to achieve these become even more streamlined when businesses ally with expert cloud providers. This is where AWS Cloud partners like SourceFuse come into play. These partners offer a caliber of service on par with direct interactions with AWS. They're not just representatives, but are seasoned professionals equipped with multiple certifications, exhaustive training, and consistent high customer service rankings. Specifically with SourceFuse, customers find a partner that not only possesses these general attributes, but excels especially in understanding and delivering on database migration needs. Their professionalism and precise alignment with customers' requirements are standout features. Moreover, AWS partners are adept at helping businesses, particularly small and medium-sized ones, transition to the cloud efficiently and cost-effectively, more importantly. They often come with initiatives and saving opportunities that can significantly offset the migration expenses.
So a lot of benefits there. And just from a personal point of view, what has your experience been like working with the SourceFuse team so far?
Sure. Myself, working with SourceFuse team has been, an exceptionally positive experience for me. Right from the outset, my interactions with their representatives, such as yourself, Liz, has been marked by a high degree of professionalism. SourceFuse are not only approachable they're not only approachable and easy to collaborate with, but also display an acute sensitivity to my customer needs. This makes them an invaluable asset in the intricate journey of migrating to the AWS Cloud. I've had the privilege of partnering with SourceFuse on various projects, both past and currently present, and hopefully future. Together, we've embarked on initiatives that guide customers towards the adoption of managed databases. One standout feature of our collaboration is SourceFuse's adeptness at alleviating the typical fears and uncertainties associated with such transitions. Their hands-on approach and solution-driven mindset give customers the confidence to move forward, knowing they're in capable hands. Furthermore, collaborating with partners like SourceFuse facilitates my role selfishly. The efficiently and proactive engagement not only benefit the customer directly, but also support me in driving successful migrations. Moreover, as AWS aims to scale and extend its reach to ever-growing customer base, partners like SourceFuse play an instrumental role here. Their expertise and dedication amplify AWS capacity to reach and serve more customers, making them not just a partner, but an extension of AWS' promise to deliver unmatched cloud solutions.
That's brilliant. Thanks for that. And I think the collaboration works really well. So it's like win-win-win. So the customer gets the maximum benefits all round. But we also benefit from each other's collaboration. So lastly, Rob, with the increasing adoption of machine learning and generative AI, how do you see the role of AWS databases evolving in supporting data-intensive applications?
Sure, great question, Liz. I know generative AI is a lot of buzzwords today. And so my own perception on it is like the emergence of generative AI didn't materialize out of thin air. Behind its transformation capabilities lies the cornerstone of its success: data. The more diverse and comprehensive the data, the more potent the AI's potential. AWS's databases are well positioned to support this evolution, given their adaptability and prowess in handling data-intensive applications. From collecting diverse data spanning structured data sets to visual contents like images, to processing it through the pivotal ETL phase, AWS databases ensure that data quality, relevance, and readiness are primed for AI consumption. This meticulous preparation and storage within our databases or data warehouses become the foundation upon generative AI models, building, learning, and innovating. In essence, as AI's footprint expands, AWS databases will play an even more central role in data-driven initiatives. Their capability to meet the demanding needs of AI projects, right from the data acquisition to execution, cements their place as indispensable allies in this data-centric era.
Brilliant, thank you. And I'm looking forward to learning much more about generative AI as well. So Robert, a huge thank you for joining me today.
Thanks, Liz. I appreciate it. Thanks for your time, and look forward to working with you again soon.
You're welcome. And thanks as well to our audience for watching. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, like the video, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next video. Join us again soon when we'll be back with another SourceFuse Talking Out Cloud.